my secret ingredient is show you guys how I bake my famous brownies. I feel special that everybody likes my brownies. I don't do anything special to them. I literally make boxed brownies, and my secret ingredient is I follow the instructions on the box. I literally, like, I'm not trying to be smart, but that's what I do. I just follow the instructions on the box. So I am doing I always buy Betty Crocker too. I've tried like the Duncan Hines ones, and what's that other brand? Girardelli? How do you say it, Nina? I'm talking to Nina on the other line. I don't know how to say that brand. Okay, well, the one that starts with a G, I think GH, Girardelli. I'm not sure. But I've tried that brand, and that brand is good. But I'm like really used to using Betty Crocker. So today I have Betty Crocker Delights. I have Supreme Chocolate Chunk and salted caramel. So something that I knew that I'm doing is I've been mixing my mixes together to make a bigger batter, thicker batter. And last time I made it, they were so bomb. So I'm doing that again. I'm gonna start off my baking, my Christmas baking, because I always bake, for Christmas I always bake cookies from scratch. I make them homemade. I do good cookies, and I like to make a cookie bar as well. I'm gonna do that sometime maybe next week. All right, gems, I'm back. I had a call that I had to take, so I don't remember what the last thing was that I was saying, but I'm gonna start it off with I preheat my oven. I always use a glass pan, so I already preheat my oven to 350. I heard it beep a few minutes ago, so that means that the preheating is done. So what I do after preheating is I get my pan ready. So I have my glass pan. This is a 10 by 14. And what I do with it is I spray it down with vegetable oil, the non-stick cooking spray. So I have the one from Great Value. I got Great Value everything. I have Great Value oil. So I also get out my vegetable oil. I get out my eggs, and I also get out my measuring cups. I have everything ready, so that way I'm not digging around. And what I did here, oh, that was a lot, is I grease the bottom and the sides of the pan. So I'll just put that on the stove for now. I have my mixing bowl, my measuring cups. I have forgot my whisk, so I got that now. All right, so because they both have the same ingredients, I'm just going to double the ingredient as I'm putting them in. So the first, it says 1/4 cup on each box. So what I'll do is I have my 1/4 cups. I didn't pull out a half, so I'll just do the 2 1/4 cups. And then I have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and then 1 egg. So then I'll put 2 eggs in. Let me get this started. And these brownies, I don't know, everyone that's ever had the brownies that I make, they seem to love them. I mean, I love them too, I'm not gonna lie, but I honestly don't do anything special to them. I literally just follow the instructions in the box. So Nettie, this one is for you, boo. Oh wait, hold on. This salted caramel comes with something extra. So now I have to read those directions to find out where this comes into play. I think I figured it out. So the caramel comes into play after the batter is already mixed. So I don't have to worry about putting it inside of the batter. So here is the second one. This is the fudge Supreme Chocolate Chunk mix. And it's going in the bowl. I like to put in the eggs first before I do like the liquids, just because the eggs can get a little messy. All right, so I got both of my mixes in here. So I'm gonna put in 2 eggs. You know what? The eggs aren't trying to work with me right now. I've been having a little trouble with the length of my nails and getting eggs out. Y'all gonna laugh at me for this one. I got 1 egg in. What I was saying about the eggs is they're a little bit hard for me to get out right now, just like in my last video, which I'll link above for you guys to watch. But I didn't even post that video yet. Okay, put the eggs in, wash my hands again. Now I'm going to do the water. So each box calls for a 1/4 cup of water. And I like to do like warm water. I don't do like hot or cold. I just try to keep it in between. 1/4 cup. So I'm going to bring this closer and put 2 1/4 cups. That's done. And then they each call for 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I got my handy dandy Great Value vegetable oil. So 1/3 is in. And here's the second 1/3 of a cup of oil. And I fill it right to the rim. Right to the chippy chop. All right, I'm letting the excess oil drop in. And I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm just gonna be mixing 2 batters. I need a lot of strength for that one. Christmas time on high. Keep the volume low, magic light. Christmas time on high. Keep the volume low, magic light. Christmas time on high. Keep the volume low. Look, Mita. And this is where I went wrong. No. Oh man. Because I didn't want it to fall on my laptop. Woo! That was a close one. Hold on. I got to take you off of my earpod because we need to talk about this.
Yeah, like what happened to you at that moment?
At that moment, I don't know what I was thinking because...
Oh my God! No. you gotta play it normally in the beginning and then do it in slow motion.
That's, yep.
Yo.
All I thought was my laptop. I couldn't think of anything else except for my laptop. Like that's all. I didn't even care about the batter. I just didn't want it to get on my laptop. Oh man. A tip that I learned throughout the process is don't tilt your bowl over until you're ready to pour it into the pan. I got a little too excited there trying to show it off to Nina and almost lost my whole batter. So I've been mixing for a while here. I'm ready to put it in the batter. I'm ready to put the batter in the pan. So I usually just tap off the excess on here. And I have to rinse my hands off because they got a little sticky from our situation. All right, so I use one of these kind of spatulas, like the soft ones for baking. I'm gonna rinse it off, and that's what I'm gonna use to help me scrape the excess when I pour the batter into the pan. You know, sometimes it like sticks to the side, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna get Kyron to help me. Kai.
Yeah?
Come here. Because I cannot tilt it again. I cannot afford to tilt my batter again. All right.
And scare yourself like that, so you end up on another. Try not. So you pop up and try not to laugh twice.
Right. So here, you want to lick it?
No.
I used to like to lick this when I was young. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you lick the batter from your cakes and your brownies? Hold on.
I'm just...
It's good. Try it. You know you want to. You know you want to lick the batter. I'm going to put it in the sink.
I can't resist. What?
Go ahead. Hurry up. Kyron doesn't want. All right. So my tip for getting an even batter is I let it sit for a few minutes so that it settles in. But then I don't know where I learned this, but like you should kind of like shake the pan a little bit to try to get it even more. And I let it sit for a few minutes so that it settles. I don't put it right into the oven. Okay, so I'm ready to do the caramel drizzle. I went ahead and snipped the corner of the pouch. And on the box it said 4 lines. So let's see how much we can get out of here because it's kind of thick. So I'm gonna maybe start a little bit close to the edge.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside.
Okay, then the box said to take a knife and kind of like drag it across. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do maybe like a section at a time. So I'll do the first section, then the middle, and then the bottom. So like a swirl. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. I should be a baker. Would you look at this beauty here? So this is what this beauty is looking like. Doesn't that look so good? Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. It's all set and ready. So the box says to put it in the oven for an 11x7 for 27 or 30 minutes. I usually try to put it in for like that in between time. So I'll put it in for, let's say 29 minutes. And this one, let me see if this has the same recommendations. This says 28 to 31 minutes. So I think 29 is a good amount. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven and put it in. I'll set the timer for 29 minutes. And I like to put it along the middle. I don't like to put it like at the top or the bottom. So there it is in the middle. We are gonna close. Here is doing the toothpick test. And toothpick test, what it is you take one and stick it in somewhere along the middle of the batter. If it comes out looking gooey like this, you might want to put it in a little longer. So I'm going to put it in for maybe another 4 minutes and then see what it looks like after that. Now my 4-minute timer went off. It's time to check it again. I'm going to take a toothpick and stick it along the middle again and see if it comes back clean. And yes, there's not much on there at all. You can barely see anything. So this is how you want your toothpick to look to know that it's at a good consistency. In this clip, I am just admiring my brownies. They look so, so good. I cannot wait to go ahead and dig into this nice, gooey, warm brownie. All right, gems. So I went ahead and pulled the brownies out of the oven. I put them on these like hot pads. I got these from, I'm going to show you what one of them actually looks like. It looks like this. Like this. Okay. I got these from IKEA. I love them. I only have 3 because it was a 3-pack, but I cannot wait to go to IKEA and get some more of these. It is very important that you use something like this or a towel or something to protect like a layer between your glass pan and your countertop, because if not, it will explode. And that has happened to me before, and that was not fun. Not fun. All right, so my next step, once I pull it out the oven, I don't wait very long before I cut the brownies, because I notice once they settle, it gets a little harder to cut them. delicious. All right, so let me show you guys what it looks like. Woo-hoo! I can't wait to taste them, but it's really hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool down for a while. I think I'm gonna have me a nice cold glass of almond milk with a slice of brownie. All right, so the brownies are finished. We have hot chocolate. Well, they have hot chocolate. I have some cold milk because I said I needed some cold, iced, chilled milk with my brownie. The brownies are so gooey and they look so delicious. So I have my taste testers here. Y'all gotta tell me what y'all think.
Okay.
First of all, Giselle requested my hot chocolate. All right, ready?
Yes.
Oh, don't be jealous. Do not be jealous because
I know your brownies are always good. So I'm gonna rip off the end of mine.
oh my gosh, so soft.
Oh my god, I like this hot chocolate.
It's so good.
I want some
Rich.
brownie.
Very.
Some milk.
Oh my god, this
Why do you
is
think
good.
that I got me a glass of milk?
It's cold.
But I already got milk.
No, but now she wants
Hot
something.
chocolate.
I can't do hot and hot. Yeah, I can't.
Wait, I have some milk too.
$1.06.
$1.
Wait, can I have hot chocolate?
It's really good, Brittany.
Mm-hmm.
You outdid yourself, girl.
It's really good.
I did supreme chocolate and the caramel. Remember I told you I was gonna mix them?
You did, okay.
Look how soft it is. Alright, I need your review.
So,
They definitely taste better than the Walmarts.
Oh, them Walmarts were hideous. They're still in the tin.
She liked the Walmarts.
Did she?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Yes.
I'm gonna give it
10 out of 10 too.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. What?
I'm gonna give it an 8.
No, get out of my face.
Listen.
No, get out.
Only because you're a hater on me.
She's a hater.
No, listen. It's super chocolatey.
Oh, because of the specific one that I got.
Right. It's good. No, it's good. The taste, everything is good, but
They're so soft, it's just melts in your mouth.
yeah, you need something to drink to make it go down.
Yeah. Because it's like a fudgy kind of.
Yeah.
Other brownies are usually, it's because of the two different,
Can I be the judge?
that's what we're doing, yes.
So, I didn't try my mom's hot chocolate. Can I try yours?
She wants to compare them.
That's how I'm
Honey, this is milk. I drank the hot chocolate already.
Oh, you had already drank it.
So, let's try the milk hot chocolate.